Yo, what is going on everyone? Earn with Todd here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $500 while I was sleeping trading USD Chef. I'm going to break down this trade, I'm going to show you my exact thought process, and I'm going to introduce you to the strategy that is going to absolutely help you find more accurate setups, guaranteed. So I'm not going to waste any time. There's not going to be any promos. Well, I lied, okay. Come on, it's YouTube. Maybe there will be a little promo later. But here we go, okay? USD Chef, let's break down this trade. How I made over $500 while sleeping. So I went ahead and pulled up this trade on the chart. My entry was right here, and my TP was right here. So I'm going to take you through exactly why I specifically entered this trade and why I chose this target for my take profit. So this candle right here, this is called a Kangaroo Tail. If you read the book Naked Forex, you are very familiar with this candle. Pretty damn accurate if you know what you're looking for. So once I knew this was a Kangaroo Tail, I went ahead, jumped in the trade, but I did not jump into the trade until I checked a few things. And the first thing that I checked was whether or not it was actually on a zone. Now, I entered this trade on the 30-minute time frame, but I went ahead and went to the daily and I wanted to investigate and see whether or not it was actually on a zone. And the way I found out if it was on a zone, I simply just pulled up the line chart and I drew a horizontal line right at this point right here. And as you can see, price also touched this right here. And we had this area right here. So pretty solid daily zone. And there we see it was on a very, very clear and distinct zone. There's no question about it. So I went back to the 30-minute and sure enough, that Kangaroo Tail candle was on the perfect daily zone. And that's one of the things that you want to look for when you're trading Kangaroo Tails. And by the way, if you go to my website, kangaroohunter.com, I got the link down in the video description. You can learn exactly how to trade these Kangaroo Tails and find out for yourself if you're going to like trading these. Personally, I've been trading Kangaroo Tails for over 18 months now, and I have not tried another strategy, okay? I can tell you that. I'm sticking with this, and you're going to see why. So, this Kangaroo Tail, clear zone, we knew that. But that was not it. I went ahead and pulled up the oscillator called the force index, which combines the price and volume into a mathematical formula, and it can help us spot some divergences. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up the force index right here, add it to the chart, and this is what I saw. So I noticed there was some bullish divergence from this point right here, and then from this point here on the force index, we had very clear bullish divergence. Just like that, we can clearly see price, we're getting lower lows, and divergence, we were getting higher lows. Now, I realized that that divergence printed about 3 or 4 hours before the actual Kangaroo Tail printed, but hey, that was good enough for me. We had bullish divergence, we had a bullish Kangaroo Tail, and we're sitting perfectly on a daily zone. Now, for me to find my take profit, all I did was zoom out, and I brought up the line chart again, and I wanted to find the nearest zone where I could go ahead and set up a TP. So right away, I saw these 2 points of interest right here. I went ahead and scrolled a little bit further back and I could see that, yeah, price got bouncing right here. We see a point there. We see another touch here. We see another touch here and also one here. So I was pretty set, clear zone that we were on. So I figured, hey, what the heck? Let's put our TP a little bit below the zone to ensure that we would actually hit our TP. And as we can see, price just glided up. I woke up about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning and I was like, fuck yeah, I just made $500 while I was sleeping. Now, this was my biggest Forex trade ever. So, needless to say, I was pretty damn pumped up. By the way, if you're brand new to this channel, if you've never seen me before, I do live trading sessions every single morning at 6:30 a.m. Pacific to around 8:30 a.m. Pacific. And you can also catch me trading live Forex setups at around 7:30 p.m. Pacific every night. In the mornings, you'll find me mainly trading indices like US 30 and NASDAQ. So that's where I'm finding the best Kangaroo Tail setups for Forex are, starting at Tokyo session running to London, and then for indices, trade the New York session for indices. Now, if you're curious how I spotted this Kangaroo Tail, it was actually very, very simple because I developed a product called RooScan, which literally scans every single Forex pair, every indice, any instrument you want on one single chart, and you can see at a glance when a Kangaroo Tail prints. I got this product developed because I've been trading Kangaroo Tails extensively since February of 2020, and I've taken about roughly 2,000 trades with the Kangaroo Tail strategy, so I have back tested tremendously. I've seen how Kangaroo Tails work, and it's absolutely amazing in how big of the moves these Kangaroo Tails can get if you can catch them. So I'm actually going to show you that scanner real quick. So this is how the RooScan works. You see there's some Forex pairs here on the left column, and then on the top columns you have your time frames. And at a glance, you can literally see when a Kangaroo Tail is printed. You only got to have one chart open, okay? I know with standard alert indicators, you got to have every single chart open. You got to have every single time frame open. But here, the Roo scan makes it simple. One chart, at a glance, Kangaroo Tails. And if you click on it, it will take you to that pair and time frame instantly. You only gotta have one chart open. This is a groundbreaking product that I made for the Kangaroo Tail strategy. I actually have a different couple scanners up. I got 15 Forex pairs on this one. And then on another chart, I have another 15 pairs. All you gotta do is click the box. It's gonna bring you to that chart immediately. And to customize the Roo scan, all you gotta do is edit your assets, put in whatever symbols you want, enable timeframes you want. Here for Forex pairs, I only got 15-minute, 30-minute, hourly, 4-hour, daily, and then you also have the ability to turn on weekly or monthly. And then here you can also customize how big of a Kangaroo Tail wick you actually want using the candle size ATR option. I have mine on standard on 0.25 ATR. Now the Roo scan will run you $299. For a lifetime, I don't offer any monthly plans at the current time. Now the Roo scan is getting ready for launch, so it's not quite available now if you're just now watching this video in June. But I'm going to assume that you just discovered this video many months down the road since I uploaded this video. But make sure you check all the links down in the video description. I'll have all my live stream schedules down below also, so you can catch me in action trading these Kangaroo Tails on a $20,000 account. I don't do any demo bullshit. I take 95% of my trades live on stream. You can see all my losses, and trust me, okay, you'll see me go on losing streaks. I got nothing to hide. I don't cherry pick just my wins just showing on YouTube. In fact, if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see all my live streams. You can see how I trade. Okay, I'm not a gimmick. I'm not bullshit. I'm 100% transparent. So I want to say, if you got any value out of this video, go ahead, give me that thumbs up, drop some comments, and make sure you tune into my live streams because I am one of the only Forex traders who's doing this shit live, okay? I know there's a lot of people flashing Lamborghinis and they're cherry picking trades. They're not showing you the real story. But hey, the Earn with Todd story is not bullshit. 100% legit, 100% transparent. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of the day, and I look forward to seeing you in my live streams.